Hello guys, my name is Omkar, and today I'm going to show you this Lego car that I built with a trailer and a bow. So I'm going to show you it all together first. Yeah. That happens sometimes. Connect. So this is the Lego car with trailer, and there's the boat on top here. So I'm going to show you them one by one. I'm going to start with the boat. So this is a fairly simple boat. It has this top that can open it. So yeah, like that. Sometimes this just connects. So it opens like this and this. It has this lever inside of it to control it. Sorry about that. Sometimes it's a little weak. But anyways, that's the Lego boat. Fairly simple. Now I'm going to show you the trailer. So the trailer, this is the trailer. Just inside. This is the back. And yeah, that's the trailer. Now it looks. This tailgate, this thing on the back can open and close. The boat fits perfectly in here, and with a little bit of room to spare. You could put some stuff in there. So yeah, that's the trailer. Now let's get to the main thing, the Jeep or the car. Alright, so this is a car. This is the car. So it's kind of like a Jeep, but it's a kind of cross. So it has a walkie-talkie on it over here. It has these wheels, and in the back it has a storage for a trailer and a license plate. It also has a spare wheel. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you the inside, which you can fit a person in. Because there's a chair. And this thing here is a cooler. So I built this later on, but this is a cooler that you can put your drinks in. You can fit 3 or 4. I just put 3 in. So I have this kind, these 3. And yeah, I can just like put them in here. And again, let's close the cooler back like that. And it fits perfectly in the back of the car. Right like that. And then I can put the person in. Oh yeah, sorry. This car is built and can be broken in half since it doesn't really have a frame. Anyways, that's the thing. I'll leave this cooler outside for now. And the doors can open on the sides, but this part stays up there, so they're just mostly for show as door handles. And that's the front of the car. And this is the top. This is the bottom. Well, that's it. That's my car and my Jeep or car here. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. And smash that like button.